Vocabulary Quiz 6.8. Read each question and circle the correct answer. Number 1. It is a parent's duty to blank food for his or her children. Provide, saunter, assume, comply. Number 2. I'm feeling too lazy to run to the store. Can we blank over there instead? Provide, assume, saunter, edible. Number 3. Sheila is usually blank to babysit after 7 o'clock. She's done it many times. Edible, numerous, available, industrious. Number 4. It's useful to know which plants are blank in case you ever get lost in the woods. Provided, aroma, gigantic, edible. Number 5. There is a blank difference between the weather of Antarctica and Hawaii. Gigantic, available, numerous, provided. 6. You can usually assume that a person with a beard is a pirate, hot, itchy, a man. Number 7. Which of the following is an example of the word numerous? Hundreds of puppies filled the room. The building was so tall I couldn't see the top. Kyle works very hard at learning to play the guitar. The doctor was finally ready to see me. Number 8. Which item is known for its aroma? Basketball, roses, the Eiffel Tower, Niagara Falls. Number 9. An industrious student gets bored easily, has a lot of friends, works hard, annoys the teacher. And number 10. Which of the following is an example of the word comply? If you would respond to Joanna's email, please tell her I said hello. My dad's job is to supply hospitals with medical tools. I will go along with your request if you ask nicely. I hate to disagree with you, but I think you're doing it incorrectly.